Okay, in this lection I will show you now a special trick. This is what we have in the moment. Okay, I go back to the solid viewport shading mode, and here in the front orthographic view I select my Fern leaf here, and with Shift D I duplicate it, press Escape. Now press R and move your mouse to rotate it a bit. You can scale it also, as you can see it here. With a simple left click I finish this. I make the next duplication here, rotate it a bit more and scale it down a bit more. So now we have these three different shapes. I will show you now a really cool trick. So for that I need here an empty object, so with Shift A, empty, I create here a sphere empty. Okay. In the next step I select this leaf here and go inside the modifiers list, and I add here the array modifier for this object. Here you can set the count. In our case I set this to 5 maybe, but I disable relative offset and instead I enable object offset. Now I choose here my empty sphere object. Okay. Now I select my empty sphere object, and with RZ, or wait, first I turn on the rendered viewport shading to have some fun, so press RZ and move your mouse. And look at that. Isn't that amazing? Really cool, right? So, with a left click, you can finish this operation. You can do the same also now with the other leaves. Or what you can do instead is to select one, duplicate it, press RZ and rotate it, like so. Normally you should do this in the solid viewport shading mode, but to have more fun I will show it here in the rendered viewport shading mode. What you can do also is to split the screen, and choose maybe on the bottom side the solid viewport shading mode. So I rotate this next copy here. Okay. As you can see, it is very easy to create realistic plants here inside of Blender. And the best thing is, Blender is complete free. So I make here some adjustments. You can see here, you have here a bit more control. Okay. Maybe this is looking good, yes, that's working here for me. You can do some further adjustments, and in the next lection we make a little render. See you then, bye.